I'm Zoe Kelman. I worked in New Jersey for the New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection and the EPA. It became pretty apparent that chromium was extremely toxic. So that brought to the attention to New Jersey, which had a huge chromium problem in Jersey City, that it's pretty much surrounded by an impoverished Black community. That we needed to reevaluate the standards. And during this process is where I saw a lot of the industry influence on our task force. And that's where, I pretty much couldn't sleep at night, and I didn't know where to go with it, because in the group were the PhDs, the experts. It was obvious they were using the uncertainty, which was very minimal, to protect the industry versus protecting the public health. You can see the run-up from the site, the yellow that's running off the site is all hexavalent chromium, which at extremely high concentrations that would flood into people's backyards and into parks, through the streets, and children playing there. What also happened was there was a study done, a cancer study, and they suppressed it. And they suppressed the risk assessment. I reached out to Peer because I wanted to go public. I wrote a report that was made public through Peer. It brought the attention of the New York Times, the NPR, and being a public employee, I'm not really to bring attention to myself. That's very uncomfortable. Peer was there for me and gave me the confidence to speak out. The lawsuit that prevailed was a settlement of the cleanup for $600 million, and at the time that was the largest cleanup that the country's seen. It was so critical to have Peer there, though. I felt very much bullied and that I couldn't physically protect myself. Unfortunately, this is the way government works, and Peer is the only organization I know that will be there for the scientists and engineers to bring this to the public's attention, which is the only people that need to know to protect themselves. I mean, if you don't know, you can't protect yourself.